So this is where we're going to get to this episode. It's a pretty simple episode, really. It's just parts. Bricks come apart. We got the rear wing, we got the front wing, and that's the next stage of it. Pretty simple, but actually those two parts were very complicated. The rear wing not so much. Yeah, both of them are very complicated. So let's put those together, and you can see how all the parts and how they come together. And down below, we're going to have a link to the bomb for the first time. So if you want to follow along to this point, actually, I think the whole thing, you're going to be able to have a link. You're going to be able to order any of the parts, or at least see that everything that's in it, as well as a link to the CAD, the Leo CAD file, the LCR, I think is what it's called. So there's brick 3D modeling CAD tools. I can't give out the full CAD file because we don't own the rights to all the parts. I'd love to, but I can't. Sorry. So let's go make it. Also in this video, we're going to go over all the parts that go into this project, specifically the BOM, or as we're calling it, the BOM Manager. We've built an application that you can use, well, anybody can use, any project, anything, for building anything. You can use Oracle Free Tier, Autonomous Database, and Apex to build an application that's dedicated to just managing parts in a project. This is really exciting, and we're going to showcase a small little sample of it here. You're going to be able to download it for free and run it in the future. But for right now, we're just going to show you a little sample. So here's the parts catalog. Anybody can log in with these credentials, and it's in read-only mode. If you go to the hamburger menu, you can search all the parts, have a nice search and a list of all the parts, as well as the categories, and you can search, filter by vendors. We have the assemblies, so specific parts, for instance, well, that changed. We have some bugs to work out. But the idea is you can print out a BOM, you can download it. This is free to anyone. Download. This is free to anyone. You can go sign up for Oracle Cloud Free Tier. It requires a credit card, but they will not charge you. It's very, very, very clear, emphasis on very clear, that you will switch from a free tier to a paid. And you don't have to worry about the credit card being charged. It's just to verify that you are a person and you're not trying to go mine Bitcoin. And from there you can go ahead and try this when we release it. So in the meantime, I suggest going and checking it out because it's free and it's pretty cool. There you go. Last time we put the front end on the brick car, and this time we're going to build the two wings, the front and rear wing. So there's not a lot to do here. Let's just put together some
No.
bricks. There's the rear wing. Now for the front wing. And there's the front wing. So we pull that out, bring down the car, slide that in. There's four little bricks that it attaches to. And we put the pin in, and we're good. Actually supposed to be a brick right here. Alright, starting to look more like an open box race car, or as I'm calling it, a Formulaπ. Next time we have the batteries and the pods. Then we have to install the rear axle. We're going to have to do some testing on this gearing here. It goes a little too fast for plastic bearings, so we're going to have to make some changes to that. But this is 1.0. So 2 more videos, and then 1.0 will be complete. Thanks for watching. So if you're racing, just like any other race car, and you crash and break something, then you pull into the pit stop, someone pops this off. Oops, I guess more broke than we thought. You pop that off, get a new one, and you're off. Wait, now it's electric.